What's up guys, I'm Tyler and today I'm going to show you how to install a frontal unit from superhairpieces.com. The unit that I'm going to install today is one that I've owned for a few weeks now and I've worn, and it's been cut to my measurements. It is very well made. It's actually Super Hairpieces. I've had hairpieces from other companies and I will tell you that their hair stays on the fake skin better than any other company that I've used. One of the first things you're going to want to do is make sure that we brush back our hair so we can expose our natural hairline, just like this. And then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and clean that area with a little bit of alcohol. This will help get rid of any oils, any sort of things that may prevent this unit from sticking. So, and then I just kind of put it into the hairline just a little bit because, you know, there are oils back up in there. Once you've got that, you're going to want to use a little bit of bonding glue. I use Ghost Bond here. It's a really great product. It sticks really well. So I just go in here and I'm going to just kind of very lightly apply it. Just a thin coat is all you need. And you want to also make sure that you're not getting too much, because then it can slide around and you could potentially get a little glue on the unit, which is fine. The glue will come off, but you want to try to avoid that. So I'm just using just a cheap paintbrush. I'm going to be looking in the mirror right here as I'm doing it. And you just want this thin coat here to go all the way to your natural hairline and then at the same width as the unit is. Now my unit is 1 inch thick, so I make sure to go in about 1 inch down from my hairline just to make sure that I get enough coverage with the glue.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm back. The glue has dried down and it's got pretty tacky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start in the middle here and make sure that we have connected fully to the sides here. Now, you are working with a curve, so make sure that you're not getting any sort of air bubbles up in there. Then I just sort of go in like this, push it in. Now you want to make sure that you're in a cool place, you're not sweating, because if you're going to sweat and install this, it's just going to fall right off. You want to make sure that you install this with dry skin. But once it's installed, you can sweat. You just want this glue to sort of cure for a moment. I mean, I wear mine for about 3 days at a time, and then I take it off and wash it, and it works wonders. All right, cool. So I've got the unit installed. I'm just gonna then make sure that everything's in place properly, like this. Brush all this hair down, blend it all in. This is the final product. I am so happy with this piece. It is completely unclockable. You definitely cannot see a seam or anything. The hair's still a little damp, so excuse that. But yeah, it's a great hairpiece. If you are interested in a frontal unit or any sort of hair unit, please check out superhairpieces.com. Gain some confidence back, and don't be afraid to address the issue. There's so many men that deal with hair loss, and you're not alone.